Hi everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel today. So today I'm going to talk about my hair again. Before I dive into that, guys, you need to subscribe to my channel. Like, what are you doing? Like, if you want me to make more videos like this, because I'm going to start making more videos like this. I'm going to start like showing up also. This will help with my content creation and all of that. Yeah. So you get to know me as the videos go on. Yeah, so I can be playful sometimes, so just bear with me. But so subscribe, like, make comments, ask questions. Like, we need to engage, because that's really what I'm all about, engaging. And I also need to know that these videos are helping. I need to know that what I'm saying makes sense, if you get me. So yeah, so I'm going to be talking about our hair care. So if you're a girl like me that has like 4C, I can basically I can talk more from experience. So I'm talking more about 4C hair. So if you're this kind of person that you're always on, like, we call it all back, but I think this is called braids as well, but whatever. But I'm calling it all back because that's why I know the hairstyle to be called popularly. So this is all back on my head. Yeah. And this all back, I made it myself. So all back means like it's all to the back, like being plaited to the back. So that's why it's called all back commonly. So I just want to tip you guys that, okay, I understand that you have all back, but sometimes you can like spice it up, like, because most times now, basically, for like most black girls, like, we always have like plates, because on like all back on, because we are like, we use wig when we go outside and all of that. I know that sometimes you just want to just carry this head because probably you want fresh air and all of that. So one advice I can give is like, if you're a bead person, basically if you're a bead person, you can add beads to it, and there are different ways to make it look nicer than just a common all back that is like rough. This all back is rough already, but I made it in a way that even if I'm at home, or if I just want to like step out like to the neighborhood, I can go out easily like this and still look presentable, and not that I have to like go again, use my wig. I don't know if you are like me that gets stressed by things like that, but I'm talking to those that get stressed easily by things like that. And this is what you can make by yourself. And if you need me to make a video to show you how to do this, how to do this yourself, I don't mind doing it for you. Like, if you want me to make a video to show you how I did, because this is like one of the fastest way to insert beats personally on my own head, because I know, okay, it might be easier for you to do it on other people, but I did it myself. And just like part of the essence of this um page is to show you DIYs, tutorials, arcs, socks, and all of that. So yeah, so this is a DIY I did myself with a very rough hair, and I don't have the time right now to make it. So that's why I'm like doing this, and I don't want to have issues with raw face. Blah, 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 blah. Let's leave all of the raw face aside. But basically, what I'm talking about is you guys can spice things up with your hair. It doesn't have to always like look rough as it is. You can make it look rough and nice, right? If you have good face that is not sensitive to your hair, your dry scalp, and all of that, you can take off the headband, just rock it rough like that, and add beads. There are other things you can add. You can add like all these pins. You can add like, use rubber like bands to like maybe colorful bands, but that might be too colorful. I don't know. Depends on your taste. But for me, I love beads, and to me, beads just make it look more extra and not too ordinary. So bead is my go-to thing. So that's why I'm like here to share it. So I'll be sharing more stuff, so you guys should please stay tuned, subscribe, put on your notification bell, so that when I drop a video, you can see, you can learn. Guys, please, let's grow together. We need to get this page like more subscribers, because
just like I learned from other videos on YouTube, the more people like tend to watch and all that, the more like it goes far to other people to watch and learn. So you guys, please like, comment, ask questions. That is part of the purpose of my vlogging. Is this a vlog or a video tutorial? I don't know, but this is part of why I'm making this video, for you guys to ask questions, and then I can like be of help, give you answers, tips on based on experiences and also knowledge all around me, basically. Yeah, I would love to share one or two tips, but that's why I have today this video. I don't know if it's long or whatever it is, but guys, I know my hair is long a little bit for to accommodate this amount of beads, but like you can still use one, you can use two. I'm using this amount to make my hair drop because I have 4C and it shrinks a lot. So to make it drop this much, that's why I use like this amount of beads, because it puts weight on the strand and it makes it drop. So that's why, because if I didn't put this, it will have shrink and all of that. So I just want it to look nice in a way that if I have like an emergency, I can still go out like this and still look okay and not look rough and untidy. You guys get me? Family members, thank you for watching this video, and to my fans, bye. See you next time. Don't forget to subscribe, please. Subscribe. Don't let me beg. Subscribe. Bye.